Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Crazy, a ballad which was a hit single for the country and western singer Patsy Cline in 1961. The song is from her second studio album entitled Showcase, which was recorded with the Jordanaires, Elvis Presley's backing singers. The song was written by singer-songwriter Willie Nelson. Although this song is classed as country and western, there are strong tones of jazz and blues in the performance and the recording. The keyboard part is acoustic piano performed by Floyd Kramer, who was a hit artist in his own right and was one of the architects for what became known as the Nashville sound with his slip note style of playing. The song is in B flat and modulates to B for the last chorus. As usual, the best advice I can give is to play in a way that is comfortable to your own style of playing and to the musicians that you're playing with. Sparseness is the key here to achieve that soul and feeling that you can hear in the lyrics and the song. A song arrangement and basic chord sheet will be in the description box below. Here's an example of how I might play it.